What is the keyboard shortcut button or buttons to be pressed for creating a chart from the selected cells? A. F3, B. F5, C. F7, D. F11. Correct answer D. F11. Which of the following methods cannot be used to edit the content of cell? A. Pressing the Alt key. B. Clicking the formula bar. C. Pressing F2. D. Double-clicking the cell. Correct answer A. Pressing the Alt key. A or and dash is a series of two or more adjacent cells in a column or row or rectangular group of cells. A. List. B. Section. C. Range. D. Area. Correct answer C. Range. What is the extension of saved file in MS Excel? A. .xls, B. .xks, C. .xos, D. .xbs. Correct answer A. .xls. What is the total region surrounding the chart? A. Chart area, B. Legend, C. Clipart area, D. Plot area. Correct answer A. Chart area. Which of the following is not a term pertaining to spreadsheets? A. Cell, B. Character, C. Browser, D. Formula. Correct answer C. Browser. Another name for a pre-programmed formula in Excel is A. Cell, B. Graph, C. Function, D. Range. Correct answer C. Function. Files created with Lotus 1 to 3 have an extension A. Doc, B. XLS, C. 1 to 3, D. WK1. Correct answer C. 1 to 3. To delete an embedded objects, first A. Double-click the object, B. Select the object by clicking it, C. Press the Shift plus Delete keys, D. Select it and then press the Delete key. Correct answer D. Select it and then press the Delete key. When you link data maintained in Excel workbook to a Word document, A. The Word document cannot be edited, B. The Word document contains a reference to the original source application, C. The Word document must contain a hyperlink, D. The Word document contains a copy of the actual data. Correct answer B. The Word document contains a reference to the original source application. Which of the following is not an example of a value? A. 350, B. May 10, 2001, C. 0.57, D. Serial number 50771. Correct answer D. Serial number 50771. The chart wizard term data categories refers to A. A chart plot area, B. A horizontal axis, C. The organization of individual values with a chart's data series, D. The data range that supply chart data. Correct answer B. A horizontal axis. This type of software is similar to an accountant's worksheet. A. Word processing, B. Database, C. Spreadsheets, D. Graphics. Correct answer C. Spreadsheets. To hold row and column titles in places so that they do not scroll when you scroll a worksheet, click the A. Unfreeze panes command on the window menu, B. Freeze panes command on the window menu. C. Hold titles command on the edit menu. D. Split command on the window menu. Correct answer B. Freeze panes command on the window menu. Tab scrolling button. A. Allow you to view a different worksheet. B. Allow you to view additional worksheet rows down. C. Allow you to view additional worksheet columns to the right. D. Allow you to view additional sheets tabs. Correct answer D. Allow you to view additional sheets tabs. Concatenation of text can be done using A. Apostrophe, B. Exclamation, C. Hash, D. Ampersand. Correct answer D. Ampersand. When creating a vertical page break, A. The active cell must be A1. B. The active cell can be anywhere in the worksheet. C. The active cell must be in row 1. D. The active cell must be in column A. Correct answer C. The active cell must be in row 1. Which of the following formulas is not entered correctly? A. Equal to 10 plus 50. B. Equal to B7 multiplied by B1. C. Equal to B7 plus 14. D. 10 plus 50. Correct answer D. 10 plus 50. Which of the following is the latest version of Excel? A. Excel 2000. B. Excel 2002. C. Excel ME. D. Excel XP. Correct answer D. Excel XP. In a worksheet you can press Shift plus space to select entire. A. Worksheet. B. Row. C. Column. D. A, B, and C. Correct answer D. A, B, and C. The name box. A. Shows the location of the previously active cell. B. Appears to the left of the formula bar. C. Appears below the status bar. D. Appears below the menu bar. Correct answer B. Appears to the left of the formula bar. To insert 3 columns between columns D and E you would A. Select column D. B. Select column E. C. Select columns E, F and G. D. Select columns D, E, and F. Correct answer C. Select columns E, F and G. When you insert an Excel file into a Word document, the data are A. Hyperlinked. B. Placed in a Word table. C. Linked. D. Embedded. Correct answer B. Placed in a Word table. QTR1, QTR2, QTR3 is an example of A. Formula. B. Function. C. Series. D. Syntax. Correct answer C. Series. Which of the following identifies a cell in Excel? A. Address. B. Formula. C. Name. D. Label. Correct answer A. Address. Which of the following Excel charts represents only one value for each variable? A. Bar. B. Pi. C. Line. D. Function. Correct answer B. Pi. You can edit existing Excel data by pressing the A. F1 key, B. F2 key, C. F3 key, D. F4 key. Correct answer B. F2 key. The cell reference for a range of cells that starts in cell B1 and goes over to column G and down to row 10 is A. G1 to G10, B. B1 dot G10, C. B1 semicolon G10, D. B1 colon G10. Correct answer D. B1 colon G10. Which one is the last column header in Excel 2007? A. XFD, B. XFX, C. XFL, D. XFD. Correct answer A. XFD. New comment option can be found under Dash tab. A. Insert. B. Data. C. Review. D. View. Correct answer C. Review. To show or hide the grid lines in Microsoft Excel 2007. A. Page layout to grid lines to view. B. Insert to grid lines to view. C. View to grid lines to view. D. Edit to grid lines to view. Correct answer A. Page layout to grid lines to view. What is the shortcut key to hide entire row? A. Ctrl plus H. B. Ctrl plus R. C. Ctrl plus 9. D. Ctrl plus minus. Correct answer C. Ctrl plus 9. If 4/6 entered in a cell without applying any formats, Excel will treat this as A. Fraction. B. Number. C. Text. D. Date. Correct answer D. Date. Selecting the column G and H, then choose Insert to column, what will happen? A. Two columns will be inserted after column F. B. Two columns will be inserted after column G. C. Two columns will be inserted after column H. D. Two columns will be inserted after column I. Correct answer A. Two columns will be inserted after column F. How to specify cell range from A9 to A99 Excel? A. A9, A99. B. A9 to A99. C. A9 colon A99. D. A9 dash A99. Correct answer C. A9 colon A99.